BTLEd-FLASH REPORT.
News with no exemption exposed. News with no bias exposed. Reporting nothing but evident. This is BTLEd-FLASH Report. Your news, our service.
BTLEd-FLASH Report.
Essential skills for anchors, knowledge-based, ability to process those informations, ethical compass, command of the language, interviewing finesse, mystery of multitasking, appreciation of all roles, and a good sense of timing. Introducing your anchor, Elmar T. Bagay, with his news reporter, Amil A. Villaferte, Joan Raya Fuentes, and Marlene Carape.
BTLEd-FLASH Report.
Good evening, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. It's 6:30 in the evening, October 16, 2020. Good evening, good people. The scripts are built on mental agility, critical thinking, and continuous learning. Knowledge-based and ability to process new information. Amil Villaferte for report.
BTLEd-FLASH Report.
Good evening, good people. Knowledge-based, an understanding of issues, name, geography, history, and the ability to put all of this in perspective for viewers. It comes from the journalist's commitment to being a student of the news. Example, the anchor should have the knowledge about the topic he is going to talk on. Number 2, ability to process new information. Sorting, organizing, prioritizing, and retaining amounts of incoming data. Example, the anchor's ability to concise the new information to be able to provide the information that the public needs to know. This is Amil E. Villaferte, reporting nothing but evident. BTLEd-FLASH Report.
BTLEd-FLASH Report.
Compass Command of the Language, live from Pinang City, Joan.
Good evening, Elmar. Good evening, people. From 8 essential skills for anchors, I will discuss the ethical compass and command of language. Ethical compass is sensitivity to ethical and minds that often letter the field of live breaking news and confirm information, graphic videos, words that potentially panic, endanger public safety, or security words that add pain to already traumatized victims and those who are about them. The anchor will no longer be public prominent of any social issue and is a signer of petitions, an advocate of good causes, or make good ethical decisions. Ethical suggests a search for guidance for conduct and decision making to a process rather than a doctrine. Ethical compass is provide excellent base for everyone who aspires to launch themselves into the public information sphere to show responsibility on how they use information. Next is we will proceed the command of language of essential skills of anchor. Command of the language is dead on grammar, syntax, pronunciation, tone, and storytelling, no matter how stressed or tired the anchor or reporter may be. Command of the language is the ability to speak properly as best sign of intelligence, truthful, legal, and trustworthy soul. Command of the language is include the analyzation, construct meaning, evaluation, identify, interpretation, recognition, synthesization, and understanding. And that's my report. Back to you, Ilmar.
BTLEd-FLASH Report.
Thank you, Joan. Interviewing finesse, master of multitasking, Marlene will report.
For tonight is all about the 8 essential skills for anchor. One of these essentials are interviewing finesse and mastery of multitasking. Interviewing finesse is an is an instinct for what people need and want to know, for what elements are missing from the story, and the ability to draw information by skillful, informed questioning and by listening. In addition, in this essential skill for anchor must need to be knowledgeable and expertise of all the information they have. Next is the mastery of multitasking. Mastery of multitasking is the ability to simultaneously take in a producer's instructions via an earpiece while scanning new information from computer messages, text, or Twitter. Listen to what other reporters in the team are sharing on interviews, monitor incoming videos, and yes, live tweet info to people who have come to expect information in multiple formats. This type of essential skill for an anchor should be responsible, energetic, and active of their field because they are doing multitasking.
BTLEd-FLASH report.
Acute sense of timing, ability to condense and scan one's speech on demand, a sense when a story needs refreshing or recapping, to know without even looking at the clock how many words are needed to fill the minute while reading satellite likely and interview.
BTLEd-FLASH report.
The last essential skill for an anchor is the appreciation of all roles, which means an understanding of the tasks and technology that go into the execution of broadcasts, the ability to roll with changes and breaches and anticipate all other professionals involved.
BTLEd-FLASH report.
Those are the hardest and
BTLEd-FLAsh report.
Anchor Elmer Bagay, reporting nothing but the evident. This is BTLEd-FLASH report. Good day, good people.
BTLEd-FLAsh report. BTLEd-FLAsh report.